These AI car assembly videos are blowing up on social media right now. They're simple, satisfying, and people just keep watching them. And you know the crazy part? I made this entire video in just 5 minutes using one master prompt and free AI tools. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to make one. Let's get into it. First, come to this ready-made master prompt. I've already done the hard work for you. Just copy the entire prompt and head over to ChatGPT or Claude. Paste it here and hit generate. At the beginning, it will ask you what type of category you want. You can choose cars, airplanes, helicopters, or anything you want. For this video, I'm going with cars. Hit enter. Now it will give you a list of different cars you can choose from. Pick any one you like, and if you want a specific car, just type the name or model here. I'll choose this one, paste it into the box, and hit enter. Now we have everything we need. This gives one image and video prompt. Let's start with the image. Copy the image prompt and head over to Google Flow. Log in with Google account and click on New Project. Very first, do the settings here. Click on Image. Choose your size, select Nano Banana Pro, and choose how many images you want to generate. It's free, no need to worry about losing credits and all. Now paste the prompt and hit Generate. Give it a moment. And there we go. We have our images. Choose any good image. I'll choose this one. Now click the 3 dots on the image and select Animate. This will bring our image into the video section. Look for the setting, choose Omni Flash Model, this is important. Copy video prompt and paste it here. And hit generate. Now just wait a few seconds. Meanwhile, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Alright, it's done. Let's see what we got. Okay, this actually looks really good. The car assembly is smooth, the details look great, and the best part, Google Flow even added the sound effects automatically. That makes the whole video much more satisfying. And that's it. That's how you can create these mini car assembly ASMR videos using AI. And you don't have to stick with cars. You can try airplanes, helicopters, motorcycles, machines, or anything else you can imagine. You can also experiment with different styles and prompts to make your videos unique. Google Flow gives 50 credits daily free for the video generation. Also, you can make multiple Google accounts to use Flow. That's more than enough. And start posting them on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram. If this video helps you, hit like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.